This is Alpha Fibonacci System in front of you. We identified this entry point well before it played out. Software right now showing you again and again and again. This is simplicity, this is a purity, this is a power. In the course you learn what these levels mean. My students know this extremely well. At the end of the day, price is all about your key support, your key resistance levels. We've been stuck here for the last 30 minutes. Price continue doing exactly this. Bold green line, not the place to short. Correct? Poor shorts. The only option at the bold green line to look for long. My brilliant, intelligent trader knows this. All the details in live classes. Since we took a break, this is what Theo shared. He does not need hand holding. Simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. Theo, very conservative trader. Theo, choosing the most conservative trades. Pablo took short, Theo took long. As Theo shares, once you master the levels, you understand. This is what pure price is all about. Support and resistance levels. And when you put the entire system together, it is not just pure and simple. System identifies with your brilliant effort all of these levels in advance. This identifies weakness of the sellers. This is where buyers been stepping in for the last few days. And again and again and again, if I convert this chart to 5, this is a market. We've been here for the last few days. In the trading room you see simplicity and power. In the course you master this. And when you do, the sky's are the limit. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. Amazing work, Theo. Stunning, brilliant. Can you please do share what you're trading right now? While it is in the middle of the night in Australia, Theo is obsessed. What are you trading currently? Please do share. Can you trade S&P? Can you trade oil? Can you trade Bitcoin? Can you trade Forex pairs? Of course you can. You simply have to make an effort. Flawless. And most importantly, system shows you when to stay out. So when you are trading with institutions, as very conservative trader Theo does, what is your success rate? Could you share, please? Success rate 90 to 95%. Theo knows the importance of bold pink line. It's your key, crucial support that confirmed again and again and again. No matter what time frame you trade this morning on S&P, you should never short near. To the upside, market keeps flying. Again and again and again. Another historical high created. Another powerful reminder. When you trade with institutions and not against them, you start trading pain-free. Market constantly changes. Market constantly evolves. This market requires your ultimate skill. There is nothing in common between trading here at institutional buy point versus here. If Theo can trade these markets, everything else is a breeze. But in case you missed Alpha Fibonacci system in the last year and a half, here's a reminder. This is the reason CEO shares he loves using system manually, which is crucial, critical when you know months in advance where institutional reversal zone will be. And when historical crash plays out, you understand extremely well crashes do not last. Institutions buying on the way down. Hedge fund manager I work with in Palm Beach buying on the way down. It's easy to do when you are trading someone else's money. Poor shorts when price reaches Alpha Fibonacci support. What have you done when on the news news kept blasting? The world is ending. Anxiety and panic everywhere. Country in lockdown. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you know, this is institutional buy point. You start understanding very clearly each and every day, if you're trading Alpha Fibonacci system, how the game is played. Institutions buying everything. This is day trader's dream. Do you remember S&P at 2150, 2200 level? There was no good news. None existed. Alpha Fibonacci system identified weeks and months in advance. This is institutional buy point. You are not listening to junky news. You understand panic and negativity is a money-making machine. Exact same people who own news channels were buying the markets. You cannot find yacht for sale during current crisis. Top 1% buying everything. Oops. How many shorts have you done during this panic? How many? This bullish rally was breathtaking, spectacular. When how market was rallying was spectacular. Because bullish rally kept picking up this steam, every single day we're discussing with students. Only longs, institutions buying the markets. Nasdaq flying 20, 30, 50 trades per day. Volume phenomenal, breathtaking. Country remains in lockdown. There is no good news. Everyone at shock, at loss. What to do with virus? Vaccine or not? Everything is closed in panic. Top 1% enjoying the crisis. This time around price comes to Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Market not crashing, every pullback being bought. Time and time again. And that's the power of the system that reminds you every day. Know what institutions trade. Know how to trade as hedge fund traders do. And understand. If trading on the news made money, everybody would be shorting the markets, left and right. The biggest vertical institutional rally no longer at the bottom. It's a very different market that requires your knowledge of pure price. Buyers more powerful than ever. Single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs. And how beautifully price reminded you again that shorts are weak, that brand new historical high created almost every week. So if you know hours and days in advance that this is a place to buy, you're trading with institutions. You are not trading against them. That's it. Do not overcomplicate markets. The best things in life are very simple. The best things in trading are very simple. So here's a discussion with students. Georgie just started the course last week. Genius, breathtaking, Phenomenal. Stunning work, Jay. Hand holding and trading does not work. Effort and your brilliant mind does. Georgie, on the other side of the world, from Theo. So is Stephen. We're looking right now at this moment at Australia, at Canada, at Wisconsin, at US, at Moscow. In the bootcamp, you will have traders from all over the world, traders who support and care about one another. If these traders can do it, so can you. Decide the instrument you want to trade. I can't wait to visit Pablo in Spain. Different continents, different backgrounds, traders of all levels, showing you time and time again. The sky's the limit if you make an effort with Alpha Fibonacci System. Every trader different background, every trader different account. It never gets old to see the emails I receive from students. Ken is a legend trading Bitcoin on his phone. Firebird's trading Nasdaq. Jennifer with 2 little babies at home. Her husband brought her to the course during crisis. Thousands and thousands of email later. Every trader, different background, different account, different instruments. Sue loves to trade options. She has zero interest in day trading system. But emergency room doctor, Steve trading it all. Commodities, options, Bitcoin, stocks, metals. Choice is yours. You decide what you want to trade. But at the end of the day, this is what it comes down to. When father, hedge fund manager in London, bringing me his son to the course, Andy trading system long term. Dominic, 14 years old, loves to day trade. You decide what kind of trader are you. If Dominic, if Andy can do this, if Jennifer, if Ken, if Pablo, if Georgie, if Theo can do this, so can you. System is pure, system is precise, system is rule-based. But as every single success story requires your effort, your brilliant mind, your practice. In the next 2 weeks, we are closing down for bootcamp. Only bootcamp room will be open. This is it. Nothing else will be open. I will be with students for a very long time between West and East Coast. In the bootcamp, we will have hedge fund traders, hedge fund managers, portfolio managers, complete beginner traders, traders of all backgrounds from all different continents, different countries, different everything will be in the course, because if pure price exists, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. This will be Brad's bootcamp number 8. He cannot get enough. How is it possible? When Brad does this in September 2021, why in the world is he taking another bootcamp? He cannot get enough. He loves Alpha Fibonacci system. He wants more. Even when accomplishing this during the most challenging market conditions. Why in the world does Tom Brady do another bootcamp every single year? He wants to win another Super Bowl. It requires your practice, it requires your effort. So during 10 days in a bootcamp, November 29th through December 10th, we will be focusing on pure price. You will be trading markets as strategic Alpha Fibonacci chess, and you will never need anything else. System applies to it all. Bootcamp included at no extra cost. 2 more spaces left to new students only. Bootcamp included with group course, with private mentoring, with video library, with modules. And when you click on the details about bootcamp, please understand this bootcamp will never repeat again. And if you are on the other side of the world, you can enjoy videos 24/7. That's it. In the bootcamp, you will be mastering how to trade as hedge fund trader, how to optimize your brain, your strategic mind, how to think, live and breathe as top 1% does. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298. Thank you traders so much for another spectacular day. And again, view the podcasts with the students, view emails I receive, read students' reviews, view our YouTube channel. Any other questions? Contact me 925-257-4298 on our contact section or send me an email. I can't wait for bootcamp.